In this video, you're going to see the fault code PO0430 catalyst system efficiency below threshold bank 2 and the sound that this F-150 2011 Ford truck with the EcoBoost 3.5 EcoBoost makes. You'll hear a humming or a sound that goes whoo, kind of like that, and that is basically an obstruction with the catalytic converter on bank 2. I will know this in 2 weeks once it has been repaired. Anyway, thank you for watching. The video follows now. Okay, I'm trying to record a sound here. I'm going to accelerate the truck. This is an F-150 EcoBoost. I don't know if you can hear that sound where I tried to accelerate. Okay, here we go again, accelerating. Okay. When I accelerate, I tend to hear the sound, and when I let off the gas, I heard the sound. Just cruising, it's there too. Nothing in the steering, nothing in the seat. Okay.